iOS 27 public beta has been officially released. Notably, iPhone 11 users have some good news, as iOS 27 now officially supports the iPhone 11, making it one of the first iPhones to receive 8 major iOS updates. If you're hesitating about whether to upgrade your iPhone 11 to iOS 27, today I'll show you what it looks like after the upgrade. I believe after watching this video, you'll have your answer, so let's get started. First, let's talk about battery life and heating, which most of us care about. On forums, you can see different users have different opinions on this. From my own experience, I think battery life and heating are normal, which may relate to whether your iPhone has the original battery and your usage habits. If you want to be safe, you can upgrade to iOS 27 when your battery health is good and there's enough storage. In terms of smoothness, I noticed a significant improvement, with faster response times and smoother animations. App launch speeds have also improved, and system responsiveness is better. Some users reported that the App Store opens much faster. Overall, users on communities are very positive, with many saying this update focuses on performance, even calling iOS 27 a smoother version of iOS 18. Many users also think iOS 27 is better than iOS 26, with a more immersive glass effect and more vibrant colors, making the interface less dull. Other improvements include widgets, wallpapers, and photo search accuracy. I think upgrading to iOS 27 is worth it for iPhone 11 users, but the real experience can only be felt after upgrading, right? After all, every user's preference is different. Some users reported their phones did not show the iOS 27 update. Don't worry, you can use UltFone iOS System Repair to assist you. It's a professional iOS repair tool that can fix over 150 iOS system problems and also allows you to upgrade your iPhone system with one click. I've provided a download link in the description. Here's how. Connect your iPhone to your computer, open UltFone, click iOS Upgrade or Downgrade, select Upgrade, and download the iOS firmware package. Once downloaded, just wait for the system to complete the upgrade, which takes about 10 minutes. Afterward, your iPhone 11 will be upgraded to iOS 27 without losing any data. If you're not satisfied with iOS 27, you can use UltFone to downgrade. I hope this video helps you decide whether you want to upgrade your iPhone 11 to iOS 27. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time!